In this experiment, we are going to investigate how hydrogen peroxide breaks down into water and oxygen and how a catalyst helps speed up this reaction. A catalyst is a substance that speeds up a chemical reaction, but it is not used up during the process. It helps things happen faster without changing permanently. So we are going to use potassium iodide as the catalyst in this experiment. I'm wearing gloves because hydrogen peroxide can cause chemical burns if it touches your skin. Safety first. Then we'll use the measuring cylinder to measure approximately 30 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. And then we'll add this into a conical flask. Scoop a small amount of potassium iodide and have it ready. Light a wooden splint until it glows, then blow out the flame. The next thing that we'll do is we'll add the potassium iodide to the flask and quickly place the glowing splint at the mouth of the flask. So when we add the potassium iodide, oxygen is released rapidly. So if the splint relights, that shows oxygen gas has been produced. You should see bubbling in the flask and the glowing splint relights. That means oxygen was released during the reaction. Potassium iodide is a catalyst. It makes the hydrogen peroxide decompose faster into water and oxygen, but it does not get used up itself. That's the special role of a catalyst. This simple experiment shows how a catalyst can make a reaction happen faster, in this case helping hydrogen peroxide break down and release oxygen gas.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.